Hello everyone. Welcome to Ryzen Warriors. Here is my first unboxing, review, and setup of my first gaming PC. In this build, I have chosen the following specifications. 1. Ryzen 6-1600X processor, which is 6-core, 12-thread CPU with a base clock speed of 3.60 GHz which is overclockable to 4.1 GHz. 2. Cooler Masters Hyper 212 which is silent yet powerful heatsink. 3. Gigabytes Gaming 3 motherboard, for a better performance and RGB experience. 4. Corsair Vengeance 8 GB RAM with a frequency of 2400 MHz. 5. Zotac's GTX 1050 Ti OC Edition graphic card with a video memory 4 GB and a dual fan design. 6. Samsung EVO 250 GB solid state drive for my operating system and 1 Terabytes WD blue hard disk. 7. Foxin Casing Titan 9 series which has an elegant tempered glass design. Stay tuned for my next video which contains full review and assembly of system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos.